Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you're new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, DIY and sometimes crocheting videos. So welcome to Shimmers and Polishes. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it for notification. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you this very easy, I know I call all my look very easy, but this is super easy, brown orange eye makeup look. It's just like a simple liner look. And if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So let's get started. To begin with, I'm going to prime my lids with Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Fair, and I'm going to set that with Colourpop setting powder in Translucent. I'm going to use Morphe's 35B Color Burst palette, and I'm going to use a beautiful bright orange shade called Puffs. And guys, the shade is bright only in the palette. It's not working on my eyes. I don't know. I'm just going to layer that as much as I can, and that's why I applied a lighter base. Next, I'm going to use Morphe into Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to use a beautiful shade called Chip. It's a beautiful dark brown shade, and on a flat shader brush, angled brush, not shader brush, and I'm going to create a nice winged out look. And with the same brush, I'm going to fill in that brown, and I'm going to blend that with the orange eyeshadow. I just wanted that brown to be only on the outer V of my eyes, just like an elongated eyeliner. I hope I make sense. Okay, next I'm going to use LA Girl's concealer in shade medium beige, and I'm going to cover my under eye dark circles till it gets a little tacky. I'm going to apply Sugar Brows definer in the shade Cherry Brown and fill in the sparse areas of my brows. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to blend that concealer in place and apply some translucent setting powder. For the eyeliner, I'm going to use Nikake's eyeshadow. It's a beautiful bronzy eyeshadow that I'm going to use it as my liner. After some time, you will see how patchy and dry it becomes, but for now it looks beautiful. Next, I'm going to use Maybelline Gigi Hadid's Kohl liner, and I'm going to line my upper waterline, and for my lower waterline I'm going to use the same brown orange shade. And for this, I'm going to use for my lower lash line, I'm going to use brown eyeliner. Next, I'm going to use the Balm's Merry Luminizer as my brow bone highlight. And for my inner corner, I'm going to use 35B Color Burst palette in the shade called Watermelon by Morphe. It's a beautiful pink orange shimmer shade. I'm going to curl my lashes, and then I'm going to apply loads of mascara. You can go ahead and add falsies if you would like to. This is a very simple and quick eye makeup look. I call it a very super easy eye makeup look. So I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. And this is the look, you guys. Very easy to create, very edgy, very beautiful, very colorful. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram as well. And please show some love by hitting that subscribe button, guys, and visit my channel for more eye makeup tutorials. Until next time, I love you all, guys. Bye. Take care.